In Classic mode for USBIM, you can upload or create a new document. Once created a new document, you can set it directly in Collaborative Work mode. If instead you want to work collaboratively on a document that has already been uploaded, proceed by simply editing it. If you are the only user to work on the file, you'll see a green traffic light, meaning you can perform any operation. When other users access the same file, the traffic light turns red, requesting you to wait until the file is opened. Normally, in collaborative mode, the traffic light is yellow, meaning you can work on the file. For some specific operations, the traffic light turns red. This condition requires you to wait for your colleague to complete ongoing operations on the file. Objects that are being selected by other users are highlighted in magenta. Some functions and sections of the software may not be available in collaborative mode. Also, use the instant messaging tools to communicate with other users. The last user to save the file confirms all changes made to the file.